Then we have the last type of inheritance, which is called hybrid inheritance. The thing about hybrid inheritance is it's a combination of both multiple and hierarchical multiple and hierarchical inheritance. So the thing is that with hybrid inheritance you have one main parent. Okay, so you have animal. Okay, this is our main parent. Now main parent has one child. I'm just going to make a hierarchy right here. Okay, so you have hierarchical happening on the top. So you have a animal child, animal parent. Okay, so we're going to say cat, and I'm going to say the cat 1, cat male cat, female cat type of thing, right? Male cat. Sorry guys. Okay, then you have female cat. Okay, and then you have this animal class is inherited. Okay, female cat inherits from there, male cat also inherits from there, and then you have a child. Both of these have a child here. I'm going to call this kitten, and this kitten inherits from both male cat and from female cat, from both of them. So that's something called hybrid inheritance. You have one parent, has two children, then both of these children have one child. Okay, male cat, female cat. I mean, what other example can I use? So let's just go with it. Okay, age is that. Now how do we implement this in C++? You can see on top we have hybrid or hierarchical inheritance, and then at the bottom here we have multiple inheritance. So it's quite simple. Now we have okay, so we're going to say a class called male cat. Let me just I'm going to create from scratch all of this so you can follow it easier. We have the animal class, age is 8, right? Then I'm going to create another class called male cat. Alright, and this inherits publicly through the or from the animal class, like that. Alright, that's enough. Then I'm just going to copy this over. Okay, before I copy, let me just put the public keyword in, then we can copy. Right, perfect. Now I'm just going to copy this over to this side here. Alright, so it's going to be female cat, right? Female cat, public animal. So both of these inherit from the animal class. Right, now this is an example of what type of inheritance? Let me know in the comments. Then we have a class called kitten. This inherits from both the male cat and from public the female cat. Alright, now what happens is that all of them have age, because age was a property of animal. Age went into that class and that class, and then since kitten inherited from both of them, we have now age here and age there. Okay, which is quite awesome. So if I were to now come over here and I'm gonna say create a kitten class, right? I'm gonna call this kitten. Okay, and I'm gonna call it K. Okay, K. Then K dot age. Okay, I'm gonna see out this like that, and I'm gonna run the code. And of course we forgot the semicolons once again after the class. Any other mistakes? Okay, yeah, we forgot to remove this. Now if I run it, then what is this? It's telling us expected class name before cat, female cat. Expected class name, male cat, okay, yes, there we go, the error, found the error. We were writing plain English. Then it says int age is equal to 8, that's fine. age is ambiguous. So the thing is, it's going to give you an error. Whenever you're doing hybrid inheritance, it would give you an error. Okay, because this is something that we refer to as a diamond problem. Okay, right? So a diamond problem is an example of a problem that occurs in hybrid inheritance. It's because, let me show you. We have this. Okay, look at, let me fix this first. Okay, we fix that. Now look, animal is the parent. It has an attribute of age. Age went into female cat and age also went into male cat. Then kitten inherits from both of these. Okay, it's asking for age here and for age here. So it has two instances of age. So when we in the main function call k.age, we ask kitten for the age. Okay, the compiler is asking us that it inherited two age function, two age variables, one from female cat, one from male cat. So when you ask us to like give you the age, which age do you want? Do you want the one from female cat or do you want one from male cat? Because it inherited it from both places. So this is called a diamond problem, and a diamond problem can be mitigated in two ways. Okay, you can solve this problem in two ways. One, of course, is by using virtual inheritance. What virtual inheritance does is that it creates one instance of age. So I have an age. Okay, once that's inherited in here and inherited in there, then only one instance, okay, will be inherited in here, kitten. Okay, so the way you do virtual inheritance is by animal. When you inherit animal into female cat and animal into male cat, there you use the keyword virtual. Okay, so virtual like that, and then public also you use virtual like that. Okay, now once we run the program, I save it and I run this. There's an error. Okay, yeah, I forgot, sorry. Let's just put this a multi-line comment like that. Okay, now you can see it gave us 8. So it actually worked. Now that's because we used virtual keyword. Virtual inheritance creates only one of the thing that we are inheriting. Okay, that's one thing. Then the other way of actually doing this, mitigating this, is if you say class.kitten. Okay, and inside of kitten what you do is you explicitly say that you want to call which one you want to call the there was a one way, I think it was something like this. I forgot the syntax of it, but it's something like where you say animal, something like this, animal, and like that, and you say age. Okay, it's something like that. I don't know how to use it in here. But okay, let's just use a function called print age. Right now, once we do print the age, I'm gonna say, instead of saying cout age, which is gonna give me that error. Okay, let's just we're not using virtual inheritance, right? So that's fine. So it's gonna give me an ambiguity error. So instead of doing age, I'm gonna replace this with animal.age, meaning go to the main animal class on top and get its age variable and cout that. So once I do this, I can say cout, I'm gonna say cout.print age. Okay, so once I run this, I compile this, and it gives us an error. Declared private, forgot to put the public keyword. Still get an error. Animal is an ambiguous base. Okay, we don't use animal, we can use female cat. Sure. Okay, then it works. So here we do that and it gives us an 8. So we asked it to go to the female cat class and print that female cat's age function, or age variable, sorry. So that's an example of hybrid inheritance, and the diamond problem happens in hybrid inheritance. Thanks for watching.